Welcome to Medicap's PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this question which was asked in PhD and it was asked in the year 2024. Question was, the respondent is asked to agree or disagree with each statement and express intensity of a characteristic. So this type of scale is Likert scale, Gutman scale, summative scale or Thurston scale.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now, the type of scale described where the respondents are asked to express increasing intensity of a characteristic by agreeing or disagree with the statement is your Gutman scale, or you can say cumulative scale. Cumulative scale or scaleogram. So basically, present a series of statements ordered by level of intensity or agreement. Now, in our question, it was mentioned that it has to be in a hierarchical pattern. Now, I'll tell you what exactly that is. So, respondents, they indicate agreement and disagreement with each statement and their responses follow a hierarchy. So, the hierarchy, the one which is at the higher level, that means he agreed with all the things which is present in the lower level. So, that is the hierarchy. Okay. It follows a hierarchical pattern. Whereas the other three, they do not follow a hierarchical pattern. In Likert scale, there has to be statements and the respondent, they has to agree or disagree with the questions or with the agreements or whatever the questionnaire says. But it does not follow a hierarchical pattern. Neither summative scale follow a hierarchical pattern, neither Thurston scale follows a hierarchical pattern. And moreover, in the cases of summative scale, a total scale is required. Right? So, all these, they are ruled out. The correct answer is Gutman scale. Thank you.